Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a dynamic drop-down list in Google Sheets step by step. So let's begin. First, open your Google spreadsheet, then click any cell, single cells or multiple cells, example B2, then B10, B2 to B10, then go to data tab, data validations, add rules, drop, drop down from a range, click the range box. Use any range, select example, select column A, full column, or click another sheet like sheet 2, sheet 3, specific cells or example, select column A. See this result, added dynamic example, hold, press enter, and now see this result, hold. Again on hold, press enter, see this result. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.